Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back, and today we have a very special gift from Diamond Paintings by Tessa. Yes, she very kindly reached out to me and said that she wanted to send me a birthday gift, and as you know, if you send me it too early I will open it, so I had to just like literally open it. So I was debating whether to open it not or try and save it till the day, but you know what? I can't resist. I've got to get into this. So she did give me permission to open it early. Let's open it up. Let's see what we got. We've got 4 items in here by the looks of it. So yeah, let's see what we got in here. I don't know what to expect. It feels like a keyring or something down there. So obviously paintings as well. So oh, we've got paintings in here. Oh wow. Okay, so first things first, she has got me. Oh wow. Now you know I love me tigers. Oh, look at that. Tessa, thank you very, very much. Now, this is a really, really beautiful... Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Look at that. 20x20. Isn't that gorgeous? I would very much like that as a tattoo on my arm. That would be amazing. You know, like on your muscle of your arm. 20x20 there. 14 colours. That is going to be a real beautiful one, as you can see here. And then in here we also have... these lovely drills here. So I'm really, I can see me downgrading into 20x20. They're just a brilliant size. We've got a brown, a gorgeous glow in the dark sort of minty blue there. I don't think it is glow in the dark, but that's the sort of colour I'm getting. We've got grey, we've got an orange, a blue, a grey, a brown, a brown, a grey and a blue. So really good. Very happy with that. And then we've got ourselves a darker blue, a light blue, a browny colour and a beige. So very happy with that. Thank you very much indeed. Let's see what else we've got in here. I think we'll go to the thing that looks like a keychain and see what that is. So let's get into the back of this. We have... oh, wow! Oh, right. Give me a minute. You know what this is? I don't believe this. You know, I was saying... me and Tessa saw this. And basically what it is it's a little cat stand. Now, I don't know if it's going to be... cat pen holder. Yeah, so it's a pen holder. There is another one. And it basically holds your AirPod like that. But this one's a pen holder. So, for example, you can put your pen like that. I mean, obviously that's a bit too big. Let me try and get a smaller pen. You can get your pen like that. And, hang on. Doesn't seem to hold it, Tessa. Okay, it's not holding it. We might have to get a replacement. But apparently it's supposed to hold your pen, but in this case it doesn't seem to be... it's not letting me hold it, so we might have to get a replacement on that. But it's supposed to be a pen holder, so thank you ever so much for that. I really appreciate that. Sorry, I'm just... the driver's put my parcel behind the bin again. Thanks very much. Oh, never mind. It's because I say leave it in a safe place, so... yeah. Anyway, so we got a pen holder. So yeah, we might have to get a replacement for that, unfortunately. Let's see what else we got in here. We have a diamond painting. Oh, look. What is this? Oh, it's a 30x30. Okay, I'm not entirely sure what this one is, but she's chucked one in the bag. Oh wow. Okay, we got a goblin. Okay, you really chucked it out of the bag, Tessa. What is that? Okay, very Halloweeny vibes. So very lovely. Yeah, wow. Okay, so lots of different things. We've got a little spider there. It looks like the Goblin Man from Ghostbusters, Slimer. Oh wow, that's brilliant. And then we got some purple in it. Totally didn't expect this. 16 colours there. We've got our boat. We also have... I'm loving it for you. We have these beautiful colours. Very pastel colours in this. We've got a lime green, a green, a grey, a black, some lilac, purple, very vibrant green, orange, yellow, banana yellow, sorry. I really don't know. Blue, a green, a yellow, a green, a very hot pink, and then a brown. So very, very lovely indeed. Thank you very, very much, Liz. Tessa even. It's because I said hot pink, but oh my god, I love that. Halloween-y vibes, so wow, I can't believe that. You chucked that out of the bag, Tessa. Totally, like, didn't expect that. So, very, very good. Thank you very much. We have got ourselves one more thing in here. So let's see what we've got in here. It is purple. What is this? Oh, wow. Okay, this is Doctor Who, guys. As you know, I love Doctor Who. And look at that. It's the Tardis. Oh, wow. Oh, do you know what? I was looking at this in my wish list the other day. And, wow, look at that. Tessa, look. It's the Tardis. Oh yes, this is going to be brilliant. What's nice about this is you've got that lovely gorgeous big block of colour block around here, 30 times 40, 20 colours, and look what we've got, guys. We have that focus point again, so it's going to pop that colour out. Thank you ever so much from the bottom of my heart, Tessa, for all these fabulous gifts. I think my favourite has to be that gorgeous Green Goblin thing. So again, another boat. Really, really good. So just checking that there's not anything else in there. And yeah, let's see what the colours are like. And then I've got to go behind the bin to get my Temu package that you put down the back of the bin. So yeah. Let's take a look in here. So we've got a purple, a blue, a black. Lots of black here, 4 blacks. I mean, it's going to be heavy. You're probably 3 10s on that. Yeah, 3 10. Grey, purple, blue. Another lilac, a lilac, a lilac, a blue, a teal, very gorgeous colour there. Pink, blue, banana, blue, blue, dark blue, purple, purple, and a lovely teal. So, Tessa, thank you ever so much for these lovely gifts. As I said, I'm a little bit disappointed that that won't hold that pen. But we'll have to... Maybe it's like got to be a lighter pen. Perhaps the pen is too heavy. I'll tell you what. Let's see if it will hold one of these. Yeah, there's something wrong with this. Oh, no, we don't. Right, yeah, so that's what it is. It needs a lighter pen. Perhaps the gel pen was a little bit heavier. But as you can see, if I gently take this out, it might stop. But look at that. How cute is that? How cool. So brilliant. I will be using that. That will be our cat stand for when we do the cats next year. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified of all the videos I do. And I'll see you next time for another unboxing. And a huge, massive thank you to Tessa for this wonderful birthday gift. Until then, take care. Catch you later.